You know that feeling when you see someone blow up on YouTube overnight? It's exciting, right? But what if I told you it's not just luck? What if I could prove it? In just 7 days, I took a secret channel from 0 to thousands of subscribers. Yes, it's possible! Stick around as I reveal the strategies that made it happen. And you might just find the secret sauce to your own success. Hey there! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm sharing an experiment that turned my world upside down. I set out to prove that growing a YouTube channel isn't a game of chance. It's about strategy, commitment, and a little bit of creativity. I documented everything over the past week, and trust me, you won't want to miss what I learned along the way. 1. Niche selection. First things first, I had to select a niche. It's the foundation of any channel. I spent hours researching trending topics and identifying gaps in the market. The goal was to find something I was passionate about but also had an audience. I settled on DIY home projects. Turns out there's a huge community out there looking for inspiration. That's your first takeaway. Pick a niche that excites you but also has demand. Do content planning and creation. Next, I mapped out a content plan. Knowing exactly what I was going to post each day was crucial. I created 5 videos in 7 days, each focusing on a different DIY project. The key was to keep the videos engaging and informative. I learned quickly that high-quality visuals and clear instructions were essential. Your content needs to be valuable. Ask yourself, what will my viewers gain from this? 3. Optimization. Now let's talk about optimization. I spent time crafting compelling titles, descriptions, and thumbnails. These elements are like the storefront of your videos. If they don't catch attention, nobody will click. I also utilized keywords that I found through research to ensure my videos would show up in search results. It's like giving your channel a fighting chance in a crowded marketplace. 4. Engagement and community building. Building a community is crucial. I made it a point to respond to every comment and ask viewers questions to encourage interaction. I even created a poll for my next video topic, allowing viewers to feel involved in the content creation process. This connection keeps viewers coming back and boosts your channel's visibility. 5. Analyzing and adjusting. Finally, I didn't just post and pray. I continuously analyzed the performance of my videos. I checked which ones were gaining traction and why. This allowed me to adjust my strategy dynamically. If something wasn't working, I didn't hesitate to switch gears. It's all about being flexible and responsive to your audience's needs. So, did I succeed? Absolutely! By the end of the week, my channel grew significantly, and I proved my point. It's not about luck. It's about strategy and hard work. If you're ready to put in the effort and follow these steps, you can achieve your own success on YouTube. Now, here's where it gets interesting. I want to hear from you. What niche are you passionate about? Comment below. Let's brainstorm ideas together. Plus, I'll be choosing one lucky comment to feature in my next video. This is your chance to get involved and take your first step towards building your own channel. Don't miss it.